Hello, my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my daily people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, oh, another one don't happen again, my darling people. Like, seriously, I never see where this kind of thing for the happen. Waiting the apple for church for these days, it dey surprise me really. Like, my darling people, as I dey waka dey go for Instagram, now I see this video. Now I say, wetin come be this one again now? Wetin, like, make I look am. Now I see say a man and his wife don cry out say, hey, my people, oh, more na lis ten oh. In fact, if una no get popcorn, more na carry and sit down jejeje lis ten to this topic, because this one e shockalize me, oh, my people, my darling people. This boy, he dey Europe for how many years? He can finally come back with one car when he still buy come, my darling people. As he come back, he can say he no wan say wan give your life to Christ, so now he can't go church, he can't go Pastor Chris church. So as they go church, he say wan give your life to Christ. He can't go use the car, they sow seed. As he use the car sow seed, they can't give them a car, he can't begin to use leg till they go church, my darling people. Anyway, na nice thing according to church. Say people, if anything where you get, use that take sow seed. Now this man now can't use his own car take sow seed. As he don't do that one finish now, my darling people, now his family can't know say see what he do. Okay, they can't see rest. Later again now, this guy now can't go use his own his family house, so he can't go use and take sow seed. I was like, this boy dey okay, so I be something dey wrong with her. I be some score don't enter his head. I be some nuts don't enter his head. Me, I no understand. He can't go use his own car, his own house. If I use car, you can't use the house again. No, as where family dey, can't go use and take sow seed. So when the family can't dey inside house, they go dey hear something like, though they see somebody, they always they come they pass the area. One man, they go they look the house, they look him. Because as he saw the seed with the house, he can't give them the document of the house, everything. So it shows say not be then get the house again, and the company like say they be tenant for the house now. So those ones now, church people now they wait, make they pack for the house. Now no say when you don't sow seed now with anything. So now church now can't get the things now. So my darling people, now the family be normal waiting they happen. So one day, now they can't see the man where they always they come past the area, say, why it be say anytime when you they pass, you always they look this our house here. Waiting they happen. Now the man can't talk, say, una pikin don't final, it don't say, it don't give us this house for church. It don't take so seed. So this house, we dey wait more una pack, no be una can't get the house again, because we give una time, we una go take comot. Now the family can say no, we can't take this anymore. Una sure say na truth? They say yes. Now they can't call their pikin. See what we see today. See what these people they talk. Say the house, say you don't use and take so seed. Na truth? Now the pikin say na truth. Oh, now the family say like, I also not be juju they use for you. He say no. Now the family say no, they not go agree. Oh. They not go agree this one. Oh. This one not go happen. Lie. Now they can't start to the beg. Go church people say lie. Oh. Now so church people be. Hey, nothing when Musa not go see forget. Oh. Now so church can't be these days. My darling people. Now the family can say no, they not go agree. Oh. This one not go happen. Lie. It not go happen. Now they say it don't finally happen. Oh. It don't happen. It don't shele. What to do? Now the man can't cry out. Oh. Say make they can't help him. make the governor everybody come help them o. They no fit give church this house. E no go possible. Make people come, make the whole world come talk for this matter. Say they no go gree. They no fit dey make this kind, make sansan come enter their eye. Make dem dey, make another person come carry their house, because they no know wetin enter, wetin come over their pikin, wey their pikin come go use their house till dey sow seed. Say they never see this kind thing before, my darling people. Now the matter wey dey ground o. Now so for me now, me come dey wonder now, say why Pastor Chris now go wan carry another person house? Who does that? Who does that really? This one, it shocked me like it shocked me. Wetin go make Pastor Chris now wan carry another person house? My darling people, this one shock me oh. Now say make I come tell una, my ogbonge people, say how una reason this matter? How una sure say this boy dey right senses? Una sure? Because I remember one man wey dey give money wey they give and not be im own. Money wey they say go keep for bank. This man carry money to go sow seed. Now so they take when they go ask the man, say where the money? He say money, he no know how money waka again. He don't go use and take sow seed. They go meet pastor. He be like say na this same Pastor Chris church this thing for see happen that time. They go meet pastor now. Then they ask pastor. Pastor say the money already enter their hand, so they don't feel return am again. Say that money where you give God. So una want tell me now say God they call una come they collect the money I be waiting. Now they try to tell us, okay, this house now God wants sleep there now. Now me no understand. My darling people, now the matter o. Una sure say this guy dey in right senses. He know wetin in they do. Because this matter so serious o. This matter not be say I just dey carry the talk story o. This one shocked me like seriously. It shocked me. It shocked me. My darling people. Now the matter wey dey ground na be this one. How una reason this matter? Make this family now, make they give the house to them. Because if they give am to them now, where then go they sleep? They don't get another house. So this boy now dey right senses, my darling people. My ogbonge people, my ogbonge fans, that wanna help me contribute for this matter, because this one pass me. Because when I see the story today, I shock, you know, I shocked lies. So I say make I come tell una how una reason this matter. Make this girl now, this boy family, may they give them this house. How una reason am? Anything we wanna think about this topic, more na leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.
As a seed to Christ Embassy, we went to the church to see the senior pastor of Warri branch, who promised to hand over the papers to us. Running up to 1 month now, they have refused to release the hard documents presented by my son, Shadrach. We have met this senior pastor who promised to release this document of the building. But a month after,